On September 28, 1927, Benito Mussolini delivered a significant speech in Munich, Germany, aimed at strengthening ties between fascist Italy and Germany. This speech is notable for its promotion of fascist ideology and its impact on Italian-German relations. Mussolini used the platform to emphasize nationalism, authoritarianism, and anti-communism, themes that resonated with many Germans facing political instability and economic difficulties in the post-World War I era. His strong denunciation of communism portrayed it as a threat to European stability, appealing to Germans wary of the Communist Party's growing influence. By extolling the virtues of nationalism and military strength, Mussolini's message struck a chord with those feeling humiliated by Germany's defeat in World War I and the harsh terms of the Treaty of Versailles. Additionally, Mussolini emphasized the need for strong, authoritarian leadership to restore order and greatness, presenting himself and fascist Italy as models to follow. While the immediate impact on German politics was limited, the speech contributed to the growing popularity of fascist ideas in Germany and laid the groundwork for future cooperation between fascist Italy and Nazi Germany. As a propaganda success, it enhanced Mussolini's international reputation and portrayed him as a key player in European politics. This speech played a role in the ideological and political developments in Europe leading up to World War II, showcasing Mussolini's ambitions and the appeal of fascist ideas beyond Italy's borders.
Die Kundgebungen, mit denen ich empfangen worden bin, haben mich tief bewegt. Man darf meinen Besuch nicht nach demselben Maßstab messen wie die üblichen diplomatischen politischen Besuche. Die Tatsache, dass ich heute nach Deutschland gekommen bin, bedeutet nicht, dass ich morgen woanders hinfahren werde. Die Nationalsozialisten und Faschisten wollen den Frieden und werden immer bereit sein, für den Frieden zu arbeiten, einen wirklichen, fruchtbaren Frieden, der die Fragen, die sich aus dem Zusammenleben der Völker ergeben, nicht mit Stillschweigen übergeht, sondern sie löst. Der ganzen Welt sich gespannt fragt, was das Ergebnis der Begegnung von Berlin sein wird. Krieg oder Friede, können wir antworten, der Führer und ich, mit lauter Stimme, Friede!